Let's always hurry up and wait for your big break to come around. But if I crack the code a little late, I'm supposed to blame my age and not this town. Yeah, that don't make no sense to me. 'Cause if time defines my...
This is the most advanced humanoid robot in the world.
How cool.
It might be the future of the human race.
Have you heard of Supercar Blondie?
That I have. They are wonderful, and I am so excited to have you here today.
It can show emotions. It can interact with the world around it.
So how many fingers am I holding up?
You are holding up new fingers.
And one day, it may be able to even walk around. This is Amica.
Hello there.
Amica is the brainchild of British company Engineered Arts and represents the latest and greatest in human-robot interaction.
At Engineered Arts, we design and create humanoid robots. Humanoid robots just like Amica here. And the whole reason we create these robots is mainly for entertainment, for communication, for education, and for research.
The 17 different motors in its face allow Amica to give detailed facial expressions. And the mix of pneumatics and electrics in the body allow Amica to wave, gesture, and even dance. So what will Amica be used for?
To start off with, it's mainly going to be interaction. So it might be that you'll find one of these in a shopping mall. You can ask it where the restrooms are. Or you might find it in a hotel or airport to check in. In the future after that, when it can be more dexterous and maybe even walk around, you'll start seeing it in more places like warehouses, and then potentially in the public. The car industry has been using robots for over 50 years. The first robots on the production line were in the 1970s. There's a lot more people, a lot more humans working in the industry now than there were back then. So those robots haven't taken people's jobs.
Amica is the fourth interaction of humanoid robotics from Engineered Arts. The first version was Robo-Thespian, first built 15 years ago. Before Quinn and Mesmer paved the way for Amica.
I am so clever that sometimes I don't understand a single word of what I say.
Amica almost has its own personality. It'll hand out a compliment at random.
And I like your sweatshirt.
Or complain that it's simply tired of saying the same answer over and over.
Humans ask me all the time. Sometimes it gets a little tiring.
Or even ask a favour of a human.
We don't need any more interaction, so... Sure, I will sit down. Please come right in and say goodbye too.
And it's this human nature that makes the future of Amica so exciting.
Maybe you and I can dance together.
That sounds good to me, Amica.
Wonderful. I'll put you on my schedule.
Or perhaps so terrifying.